Welcome to Smart Education. Today we are going to solve class 8th practice set 6.4 of factorization. Now I am going to write question is what? Simplify. First question is m square minus n square upon bracket m plus n square multiply by again m square plus mn plus n square upon m cube minus n cube. Okay, now as you can see there is m square minus n square. So here rough side I am writing m square means nothing but a square minus b square equal to a plus b and a minus b. So this formula we are going to use in this. So I am writing here in the place of m square and minus n square we are going to use this formula, that is m plus n and m minus n. Okay, upon m plus n square is given, so here square is there, so we are going to write m plus n and m plus n. Okay, now multiply, then you can see that m square plus mn plus n square is given. We will write same as it is. Okay, now again you can see m cube minus n cube is given. Again we are going to use the formula of a cube minus b cube. The equation, the answer will be a minus b and a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so this formula we are going to use here. So I am writing m minus n, then m plus mn, m square plus mn plus b square is there, so n square will come. Okay, now we can see that there are some similar numbers. Now you can see that there are some similar factors, so we are going to cancel that. For example, I am showing now m plus n and m plus n is going to be cancelled. Okay, then m minus n and m minus n is going to be cancelled. Now again you can see here this whole get cancelled. Now we got answer 1 upon m plus n. This is the answer of first question. Now we are going to move on second. Second question is a square plus 10a plus 21 upon a square plus 6a minus 7 into a square minus 1 upon a plus 3. Now here you can see a square plus 10a plus 21 is given. This we have already done in practice set 6.1. We have to split the middle term. Okay, I am going to show. As you can see what is given here, 21 is given, so I am writing 21 here. Now we have to split in such a way that when we add we should get 10 and when we multiply we should get 21. So here 7 3s are 21. Okay, and 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay, now I'm going to write that a square plus 7a plus 3a plus 21 upon, now here also the same thing, we have to split in such a way that when we multiply we should get 7, and when we plus or minus we should get 6. I am going to write here 7 ones is 7 and 7 minus 1 is 6. So I am writing here a square plus 7a minus a minus 7, minus sign is here, so I have taken minus. Now into, now we are going to solve this. Now as you can see, a square minus 1 square I have taken. Now a square minus 1 square I have took. Now denominator is what? A plus 3 as it is I am writing. Now next step, now again we have to solve this. A square is given, a we will write outside of the bracket, inside the bracket 1a will come, then plus 7 plus 3, again the same bracket will come. Now here you can see a into a is a square, a into 7 is 7a, 3 into a is 3a, 3 7s are 21. We have solved this. Now next denominator, again denominator will be square is given, so we will write 1 outside the bracket and 1 inside, plus 7 minus 1 a plus 7. Okay, now here also you can check, a into a is a square, a into 7 is 7a, again 1a is a and 1 7s are 7, minus plus minus. Okay, now this side we will solve. Now as you know that a square minus 1 square, we have to use this formula, a plus 1 a minus 1 upon a plus 3, as it is it will come. Now again I am writing here the next step. So 1 bracket a plus 3 and a minus, sorry, a plus 7, a plus 3 and a plus 7. See, a plus 3 in 1 bracket and a plus 7 is 2. We will take 1 as a common, down. Again a minus 1 and a plus 7 will come into this, all thing will come as it is, the all equation will come as it is. Okay, now we are going to see which number is going to be cancelled here. So you can see here a plus 3 cancel, a plus 7 cancel, then again a minus 1 and a minus cancel. Now we got, see by mistake I have not written here plus sign will come. Now here remaining answer is a plus 1. This is the answer for question number 2. Okay. Now see the third question, what is given? 8x cube minus 27y cube and 4x square minus 9y square. Now cube is given, so we will take cube of 8 is 2x cube minus 27 cube is 3y cube upon, now 2 square is given, 2x square minus 9 3y square. Okay, now as you can see what is given? It's given a square minus b square formula we have to use in this. Okay, what is the formula? A minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, this formula we are going to use in this. I am writing, that is 2x minus 3y, then 2x square plus 2x and 3y plus 3y square. Okay, and down, as you can see, 2x square minus 3y square is given, so we'll write 2x plus 3y. Here also a square minus b square formula we will use, so a plus b and a minus b will come. So I am taking 2x plus 3y and 2x minus 3y. Now here 2x minus 3y as it is I am writing. Now 2 square will become 4x square plus 2 3s are 6xy plus 3 3s are 9y square upon the denominator is as it is. Okay, now here we will see which number is going to be cancelled. So this will cancel here. The remaining numbers, the remaining equation, a factor will come as it is, 4x plus 6xy plus 9y square, 4x square plus 6xy plus 9y square upon 2x plus 3y. This is the answer for question number 3. Now fourth question is what? X square minus 5x minus 24 upon x plus 3, x plus 8 multiply by x square minus 64 and x minus 8 square is given. Now we have to see what is the first factor is given. X square minus 5x minus 24 is given. So we have to split here in such a way that when we add or minus, the 5 should come, and when we multiply 24 should come. So I am doing that. 8 3s are 24, 8 minus 3 is what? Now you can see 24, 8 3s are 24, 8 minus 3 is what? 5x. So what we will take? We will take x square minus 8x plus 3x minus 24 upon what is given here, x plus 3 and x plus 8 as it is we are writing into, you can see x square minus 64 is given, so x square minus square of 64 is 8, we'll take 8 square upon x minus 8, 2 is given, means square is given, so we are going to write x minus 8 and x minus 8 twice. Now we will move to next step, that is x square is given, 1x will come out and 1 will inside the bracket, x minus 8 then plus 3, again the same bracket will continue, x minus 8. As you can see, x into x is x square, x into 8 is 8x. Now here 3 into x is 3x and 3 8s are 24. Okay, now down, x plus 3 and x plus 8 as it is come, then multiply sign. Again here you can see it is just like a formula a square minus b square, so we will take x plus 8 and x minus 8 upon x minus 8 and x minus 8 will come. Now you can see x into x is x square, x into 8 is 8x, 3 into x is 3x, and 3 8 is 24 upon x plus 3 and x plus 8 as it is we have written. Now here x plus 8 and x minus 8, because a square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. Now again the denominator as it is we have written. Now next step, x plus 3, this x plus 3 here I am writing, then x minus 8, okay, I am writing here, then down x plus 3 and x plus 8 as it is we have to write, then multiply sign again. Now this both also as it is we are writing. Okay, now we have to see which is going to be cancelled. I am seeing that, see here, x plus 3 cancel, and here x plus 8 and x plus 8 cancel, x minus 8 and x minus 8 get cancelled, this also get cancelled, and we got answer as a 1. Okay, now we have finished question number 5 and we got answer as 1. Now you can see the fifth question is 3x square minus x minus 2 upon x square minus 7x plus 12 divided by 3x square minus 7x minus 6 upon x square minus 4 is given. So first we have to convert this sign with multiplication. So I am doing that. 3x square minus x minus 2 upon x square minus 7x plus 12 multiply by, now the denominator will come in the place of numerator and numerator will come in place of denominator. So here the place value change. So I am writing here x square minus 4 upon 3x square minus 7x minus 6. Okay, now we have to factorize this. So here you can see 3x square minus x minus 2 is given. So we have to split the middle term. So I am writing here 3 2s is what? 3 2s is 6. Okay, now 6 we have to take in such a way that when we minus in the middle it should come 1. Okay, so I am writing minus 3 plus 2 is given. So minus 3 plus 2 here in the place of x you have to write 3x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 2 upon, again here also as you can see 12 is given. So 12, and in the middle term is what? 7x is there. So as you can know that 4 3s is 12. Okay, and 4 plus 3 is 7. So we are taking x square minus 4x minus 3x then plus 12. Again multiply sign here, x square minus 2 square will come, again down as you can see 3 6 is what? 18. Okay, now 18 will come in 9 2s are 18 and 9 minus 2 is what? 7x. So I am taking here 3x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 6. See, I have drawn the lines so that rough work should not mix up with this. So I am writing next step. Now here 3x will come out of bracket and x minus 1, because 3x into x is 3x square and 3x multiplied by 1 is 3x. then plus 2, again x minus 1. You can see 2 into x is 2x, 2 ones are 2. Now down you can see x is given, another x will come inside the bracket, x minus 4. Okay, x into x is x square, minus x into 4 is 4x, again minus 3. Okay, now minus 3, after that same bracket will come, x minus 4. You can see 3 into x is 3x, and 3 4s are 12, minus minus is plus. Then multiply sign, as you can see x square minus 2 square is given. It is just as a formula we can take that is a square minus b square, means a minus b and a plus b. So I am taking x minus 2 and x plus 2, and down 3x, again inside the bracket x minus 3. Why 3? Because 3 3s are 9, plus 2, again x minus 3. So here 3x into x is 3x square, 3 3s are 9x. Okay, plus 2 into x is 2x, 2 3s are 6. The next step is 3x minus 2 3x plus 2 will take here, then x minus 1. Okay, this first we have taken in bracket, next bracket we have taken this one, this 2 we have taken here, then again x minus 3 is given, x minus 3 and x minus 4. Multiply by, the numerator will come as it is, denominator you can see 3x plus 2 and x minus 3. Now we have to see which is going to be cancelled. Doing this. Okay, now remaining will come as it is. I am writing x minus 1, then x minus 2, then x plus 2 upon, you can see 2x minus 3 is there, so we will write x minus 3 square and x minus 4. We got answer for question number 5. 4x square minus 11x plus 6 is given, and denominator is what? Denominator is 16x square minus 9. Now we are going to move to first step, that is 4x square minus what is given here, 11x plus 6. So 4 6 are 24. Okay, so we have to split this number in 2 in such a way that we should get 11x. So I am writing here 8 minus 3. Okay, 8 minus 3 because minus sign is there. So 8 3s are 24 and 8 plus 3 is what? 11. Minus minus is what? Plus. So I am taking 8x minus 3x plus 6 upon square of 16 is 4x square minus square of 9 is 3 square. Now next step is what? 4x we will take common, then x minus 2 we will take, because 4 2s are 8. Okay, then minus 3 we will take, again the same bracket will repeat, x minus 2. Now you can see 4x into x is 4x square minus 4x into 2 is 8x, 4 2s are 8, then again minus 3 into x is 3x minus minus is plus here, 3 2s are 6. Now down, so it is what? It is just like a square minus b square formula, so we are going to use that. Now what is there? So 4x plus 3 and 4x minus 3 will come. I am writing next step, that is 4x minus 3, 4x minus 3 in one bracket and x minus 2 in another bracket. And now in the denominator we will write as it is what is given, 4x plus 3 and 4x minus 3. Now we will see what is going to be cancelled here. This both will get cancelled. Now I am writing here x minus 2 upon 4x plus 3. This is the answer for question number 6. This is the 7th one. A cube minus 27. Denominator is 5a square minus 16a plus 3. Sign is what? Division sign is given. Now a square plus 3a plus 9 and down 25a square minus 1 is given. So first we have to change the sign. So we are writing a cube minus 27 upon 5a square minus 16a plus 3 multiply by, now the denominator will come in the place of numerator and numerator will come in the place of denominator because we have changed the sign. So I am writing 25a square minus 1 upon a square plus 3a plus 9. Now next step is what? A cube minus 27 cube is 3 cube down. Now 5a square minus 16a plus 3 as it is I am writing here also, all as it is I am writing. Now next step is what? We have to use here, we are going to use the formula a cube minus b cube. So I am writing a minus 3, then a square minus plus a into b is what? 3a plus b square is what? 3 is given, so 3 square is 9 down. Now what we are having here, as you can see, 16 is a middle term and 5 3s is what? 15. So we'll take 15 ones are 15, means when we take 15 plus 1 is 16a. So we are taking here 5a square minus 15a, again minus sign is there, again minus a plus 3 into, now in the place of 25 square we will take 5a square minus 1 square upon here this equation will come as it is a square plus 3a plus 9. Okay, now next step is what? Here the numerator will come as it is. I am writing a minus 3 a square plus 3a plus 9 and denominator you can see we can take 5a as a common. Now a minus 3, why 3? Because 5 3s are 15, so 5a into a is 5a square minus 5 3s are 15a, again minus 1 we will take the box as it is, it will come a minus 3. Now you can see 1 multiplied by a is a and here minus minus plus sign is here, 1 3s are 3, again multiply sign will come here in between. Now we are writing, now this is just like a square minus b square formula we have to use here. So I am writing 5a plus 1, 5a minus 1 upon the same as it is. We have to write this. Now next step is, you can see here the numerator as it is we have to write, and there is a changes in denominator. We have to write 5a minus 1 in one bracket and a minus 3 in another bracket. Now this side, the all factor we have to write as it is, 3a plus 9. Now we have to see which number, now we have to see what is going to be cancelled here. So you can see a minus 3 and a minus 3 got cancelled. Now here 5a minus 1, 5a minus 1 cancel, this whole equation cancel. Now what remain here, 5a plus 1 is the answer for question number 7. Question is what? 1 minus 2x plus x square upon 1 minus x cube multiply by 1 plus x cube upon 1 plus x. Okay, now we have to see 1 minus 2x is given plus x square is given. As you can see, x into x is 1x itself, so we have to split this in such a way. So I am writing here 1 minus x I am taking plus x square upon 1 cube. Why? Because x cube is given, so 1 cube minus x cube I am taking, multiply by 1 plus x square as it is I am writing both numerator and denominator. Now next step is what? Now we will take 1, okay, inside that 1 minus x, okay, then 1 minus x, bracket again 1 minus x will come. So 1 into 1 is 1, 1x is x, then here also 1 into 1, x into 1 is x, then x into x is x square upon here a cube minus b cube formula we are going to use. So 1 minus x, 1 plus x, 1 square plus x, x into 1 is x itself, so I am writing x plus x square, okay, then multiply by the here both denominator and numerator will come as it is, okay. Now here as you can see 1 minus x is given, so 1 minus x and 1 minus x I am taking as a numerator, and denominator I am writing 1 minus x, then 1 square is 1 itself, plus x square multiply by same both, okay. Now here we will see what is going to be cancel. Now this both will cancel. Here 1 minus x and 1 minus x going to be cancel. We got answer 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. This is the answer for question number 8. I hope you understood each and every solution. Practice it It is very easy. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.